I'm with Nicole, and we're gonna make our version of a cake. Let's get started. For this cake, we have a few ingredients. We have classic Oreos.
We have some frosting, one with sprinkles and one without, and this is chocolate, this is vanilla.
We have some Twizzlers.
Pink Starburst.
We have some octopus sour bites. We also have some Skittles.
And we have, of course, the cake mix. Now I will be cracking the eggs. We have 3 eggs. There's our 3 eggs.
Now we're gonna do a half cup of oil.
You're still unscrewing it.
2,000 years later.
I got it. Perfect.
Nice.
Ready? Together? 3, 2, 1. Smells really good.
Yeah, I want to eat it. Yeah, honestly. We're eating a cookie dough.
Delicious.
You can't have any chunks in it.
Oh. Wanna switch?
Because if we don't whisk it the right way, it's going to take longer to make, you know. Oh no.
Now we're gonna pour it into the cake thing. Ah.
What cake?
Now you're gonna put it into the oven. Beautiful. Set it for 35 minutes.
35, and then we take it out and eat it.
Right now, Nicole is going to poke the cake with a toothpick to see if it's ready. Looks ready to me.
It is very ready.
Let's take it out. On that note, you gotta let it cool for 15 minutes. So
Until we can take it out of the pan and decorate it.
yeah.
Why is that making noise?
The frosting is all good. It looks amazing.
Mm-hmm. This is right.
Yeah, this is exactly what we planned.
Yep.
So now I have some Twizzlers right there.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna decorate that. Like with it's really good. Come on. So we got the only pink bag of Starburst because
No one likes yellow.
no one,
Like
not even you.
Color red. I think
Red pretty good. But no one I even knew was there.
Why are we taking off the wrapper? Just like the finishing touch.
Thank you so much for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed our creation. And